thing that you do to make your dough is take your bowl, put in your flour, then add your salt, mix it around a little bit, and then you can add your water a little bit at a time. Eventually, your spoon is not going to work very well. So, at some point, what you're going to have to do is get your fingers in there and squish your dough together. This is called kneading. And if you squish it and squeeze it and flip it over, it is going to get all over your hands at first. But you need to make sure all the flour is squished in. There shouldn't be any powdery flour left over. So keep turning it over, squishing it, turn it, squish it. Take a minute, get it all off your fingers and back in the bowl. Sometimes, at some point, you might want to actually flip it out of the bowl. Make sure you get all that stuff out from inside your bowl. Just dump it on top. Get all your pieces of dough. Sweep them together. Keep on kneading. This part is going to take some time. You want to keep kneading it until it turns into a nice, soft dough. If you have to, you can add a teeny bit more water. Use your spoon, just add a few drops to get the last of those crumbs mixed in. You work on it, the more you squish it, the softer and nicer it's going to get. It's going to feel like Play-Doh. Okay. Once your dough is nice and smooth and it does not feel dry and crumbly anymore, and you can squish it and kind of stretch it like that, that means it's ready. Now, at this point, you have to decide whether you're going to leave it plain, because you can leave it plain and bake it and paint it later on, or you can add some food coloring to it at this stage and it can be more like Play-Doh, or you can bake it, but it's up to you. If you want it to stay white like this, you leave the food coloring out, but I'm going to take a little bit of my dough to show you how to mix the food coloring in. So to mix the food coloring in, be careful. If you might want to wear gloves for this part, because sometimes the food coloring can stain your fingers. But what you do is take your dough, poke a little hole in the middle, and add one drop at a time. So I'm going to add one drop of green to my dough. I'm going to fold it in, and I'm going to start squishing it again and folding it, and eventually you will start to see the color, see it right there, mixing in and turning your Play-Doh green, or whatever color you pick. So mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. If you decide you want more green or more color, make another hole. Add a couple more drops if you want to. And mix it and squish it until it is all colored. Again, it's going to take a while. So really mix it good. And like I said, it might turn your fingers colors, so if you don't want that to happen, wear some gloves, or you can also put like plastic baggies on your hands. That would work too if you don't have gloves. But make sure you mix it, squish it, get all that color mixed in there. want to keep playing with it like Play-Doh, you need to put it into a baggie or a container that closes tightly with a lid so that your Play-Doh does not dry out. But if you make something that you really like and you want to keep it forever, then what you should do is you can just leave it and see if it'll dry on its own. It'll take a really long time if you do that. Or you can put it in the oven at 250 degrees for about 2 hours until it gets dry and hard like a cookie. And once you do that, then you'll be able to paint it and keep it forever, whatever you make. Okay, so that's how you make your own art dough. I'm going to put the directions right there so you can read them. Good luck, and if you make something awesome, don't forget to share pictures of it on Class Dojo.